Now students, we must understand that there is a lot of data in any enterprise. Any data, when it is processed, is called as information, and this information cannot be presented in a haphazard manner. For information to be useful or for information to be considered by managers must specify certain basic characteristics like its presentation, like its relevance and timeliness, etc. So, we are going to understand how this information is presented. Remember, this information is always presented in form of information reports. So, what are reports? When any related information is summarized to meet a particular need and is presented in a particular manner, it is called a report. It can be report on anything. We must remember one thing, that these reports can relate to two specific areas. They can be like what we call as regular reports. What are regular reports? Any report which is generated almost regularly to present a regular information or to update senior functionaries about certain functioning of the organization or of the department is called as a regular report. Then we have what we call as specialized reports. As the name suggests, these are prepared for specific and special purposes. They are not prepared on regular basis. They are prepared as per the demand and as per the desire or the information that is to be communicated for a specific reason. Only in cases where you require specific information, specialized reports are prepared, and remember, they are prepared on demand by the manager or any senior functionary. They are not done on regular basis. So now students, we have two kinds of report, regular reports and specialized reports. They present their relevant information at relevant time. But a very important fact to be considered here is that any accounting information must satisfy the basic criteria of accounting information. And what are those basic criterias? Those basic criterias are relevance, that means the information must be relevant for the purpose it has been supplied for. Then timeliness, that is, it must be useful and must pertain to the time for which it is being supplied. Then summarization, it must provide the facts in proper and summarized manner. That is, the information must be concise and precise. It should provide all the relevant details in proper manner, and yet no additional or unreliable or any kind of extra information should be there. Then reliability. One thing is very important here, that any accounting information that is supplied through these reports should be reliable. It must be backed by relevant facts and informations. Any information for which we do not have clear facts, it should not be supplied through these reports.